What's up, traders? Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm actually going to show you how to buy stocks, how to buy options, call options, and how to sell stocks, and how to buy put options, which is essentially shorting a stock, but with options. Okay, so the first thing, buying a stock. Let's just say we're looking at NRG right now, and this is just a random stock that I had been looking at for a while. So let's just go and buy. Right now I'm using a automated account, one of my demo accounts. So let's see. So we go to paper trade, okay, and it tells me to buy. Okay, the current price is about $11.04, and that means limit. That means that's the price that it will make us buy. Then there is market is the current price. That whatever the price is, whatever the bid and ask is, you buy it at the bid price, which is apparently 1103. And so with buy 100 shares, including the commission, which is $10 a share, we can buy for $1,100.13. Okay, and there we go. So we bought. Simple as that. Now let's go back to NRG and let's buy an option. This is where sometimes people, feel like it's interesting. So for me, whenever I'm looking to buy options, I'm looking at least 4 to 6 months in the future, that I think that'll give enough traction to a certain stock that'll continue moving up or down, whichever direction it is that I'm looking for. So currently we're in October, so I'm looking at maybe March 2017, and the price right now is $11.04. So if I want to buy a call option, I would buy it at probably for a $11 call option, which means that the ask is 1.55, and that's what we should buy. And I made a mistake earlier with the stocks. Whenever you want to buy a stock, you look at the asking price, or whenever you want to buy a call option, you look at the asking price, which is 1.55. Now what that means is one contract of option includes 100 stocks. So when it says 1.55, then one contract should cost you $155 plus the cost of commission. And so based on that, 10 would cost you $1,500, because it's 1.55 times 1,000 in this case, because one contract would be 100 shares, 10 contracts would be 1,000 shares. So that being said, that's our buy signal, and we just bought for March 2017. We expect the price of NRG to be above $11. Okay, now let's just say I want to short sell something, so let's look up Whips Holding here. Now I think that Whips, let's look at the chart real quick. So it seems like it's been dropping. So I would probably want to short it at about 1650, which is the high here. Yeah, that's 1624, right? So we go to paper trade, and I'm going to sell 100. Okay, and it goes by the bid price at this point. And what you want to do along with that is you don't want to just sell. You want to sell with a stop limit. So 1473 is what we'll buy it at, and we can put our stop at about $16.28. So that's giving us a risk of about $1.55 per share, or $155 risk if the stock goes against us. And we go ahead and we buy. Okay, simple. That is short selling, nothing more, nothing less. Okay, that was interesting. Okay, so all obviously for short selling, the one thing is you need to have requests put in with your broker. I personally don't short sell. I'd rather buy puts. That's what I go for. So, oops, sorry. So let's go back to the VIPS holding example that we have. And I think that since the price is at 1473, I think in the next till January, the price will still stay below 14.5. So I buy the puts. Puts are on the right column, and you look at the asking price again for buying a put, and it's going to be 1.65 or 165 if we just bought one contract, and for 10 contracts it would be 1.65 times 1,000, $1,665, and there it is. I've bought puts. I expect price to be below 14.5 by January 2017, and if I'm wrong, I'll lose $1,665 at the most. So that's the key to basically trading stocks and options. There isn't much to it. The main thing is that no matter how good your strategy is, you will have losses, and it is to what amount are you limiting your losses? If you have $1,000 accounts, you don't want to be losing more than maybe $70 per trade, especially when it comes to stocks and options. And because you want to give yourself as many chances as possible. And that's the key. That's what we work on. That's what we teach people. And that's what we want for all you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Trying to keep it simple, trying to show you guys it's not that difficult, it's not that crazy. Join us and learn to be successful, consistently successful trades. Learn to take the... So yeah, just learn to be successful, and hope that this is exactly what you're looking for, that helps you build your equity down the road, that could help you become a millionaire, hopefully. All right, take care guys, bye.